Hi, welcome to our channel Rising Kids. In this video, we are going to introduce big and small, finding the alphabets, introducing D, E and F and numbers. So usually in the school, they introduce one alphabet per day and one numbers per day. So kids get easily attached to the numbers and grasp easily. So as it is a video, we are introducing 3 letters per video, so you can take it one by one for your kids so that they will find it easy. So let's get started. Big and small. Our kids usually know what is big and small. For them to introduce the biggest and the smallest, you can just basically introduce a small object, a ball and a big object, so that you can tell your kid this is small and this is big. So you can give further exercises for them to find out the biggest number, the biggest object and the smallest object. So this is small and this is big. So you can give exercises like a flower, a medium size, that is, and the big one. So you can ask your kid to find out the small one, which is the smallest. So for this activity, we are going to find out the smallest for this activity. So a circle, a donut, a big one and a very tiny one. A leaf, a small leaf and a big leaf. A triangle, a big triangle and a small triangle. A circle, a small one and a big circle. So for these 5 activities, that is these 5, our kid is going to find out the smallest. So this is small object. Now coming to the biggest one. So the same thing, you can draw a circle, small circle and a big circle. You can ask your kid to identify it. Stars, small star and a big star. A triangle, smaller one and a very smaller one. A square, a small one and a small one. A heart in shape. So this is biggest. In a similar way, you can give lot objects for them, like fruits, introducing fruits in this, vegetables in this, and fun activities like introducing anything of your kid choice. So this is biggest and smallest. Now coming to alphabets. So finding the correct alphabet. Finding the alphabet A, B, C means finding the correct alphabet. As in previous video, we already introduced A, B and C. So finding the correct one. Find the correct alphabet. So I am going to give the alphabet B for my kid. So finding the correct alphabet, B uppercase and a B lowercase. So I am going to mix and write some alphabets. A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, your C, your B, your A and your B. So I want my kid to find out B, uppercase B and lowercase b. So finding out uppercase B and lowercase b. So similar way, you can give A, uppercase A, lowercase a, small a, uppercase C and smaller case, that is low, smaller case C. So I have given B for them. You can give similarly A, B or C, because we have done only the 3 alphabets for our kids. Now we are going to introduce the next following 3 alphabets. As I already told you, for introducing alphabets, introducing alphabets, we have to give 4-line notebooks, that is the middle will be in the blue line, the upper line will be in the red one, and the lower line will be in the red line. So this is called as the capital line, this is called the baseline, this is called the waistline, and this is called the tail line, as I already told in the previous video. Now we are going to introduce D for them. So standing line from red to blue and a curve. So already they know about lines, so which is in the previous video. You can check it over there, so that it will be easy for them to write D and all the alphabets. Now lowercase d. So this is standing line and a small curve, D. Now coming to E. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and a sleeping line. Now with a small curve and a curve. This is curve with a small sleeping line and a curve. So this is E. Now coming to F. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Now coming to lowercase f. Standing line with a curve and a standing line and a sleeping line. So this is F. You can introduce them by drawing with crayons with red and blue color, and you can write and show them so that they will feel attractive and easy for them. So you can draw in a similar manner with anything of blue and red by color pencils or crayons or even paint. You can just do it, so it will be easy for them to write and show us. So next comes numbers. So introducing numbers for them. So for numbers, generally we just introduce them in the early age. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, like that. So with the representation we are going to introduce. So a circle, and we are going to write 1, sleeping line, 1. So 1, this is 1 circle, this is 1. And you're going to draw 2 circles, and you're going to tell curve and sleeping line. So this is 2. So this is 2 circles. Now coming to 3. 1, 2, and 3. Here 1. Now next is 2. And the third one is 3. Adding one more to it will be 3. You have to explain like this for them. And you have to tell curve and a curve. This is 3. Again with 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you have to write standing line, sleeping line, and standing line. This is 4. Now you have to add one more to become 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is sleeping line, standing line, and a curve. So you have to introduce one number per day so that it will be easy for your kids to grasp the numbers. So as I introduced one number per day for my kid, so I am giving, as it is a video, I am giving 5 numbers. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to repeat it every day so that they will get clearly understanding with numbers. So with activities, we are going to give stars, and we are going to ask them to write what number is that after they practice. This is after 2 days of practicing numbers, you can give this activities. So this is 3 stars, and here 4, and here 1, and here 5. So after practicing numbers for them, you can give activities like that so that they can see, count, and write the numbers. So this way will be easy for your kids to understand numbers. First, from 1 to 10, if you revise them properly, the rest of the following numbers will be very much clear for them. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it will be useful for you. Take care. Bye.